Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Sylvia. I will explain my presentation about identifying the article. Next. Table of contents. First, introduction. Second, literature review. Third, research method. Fourth, result and discussion. 5, conclusion. Title, analysis of mathematical representation ability for class 11 high school students. First, next. Introduction. Research problem is students' mathematical representation abilities are still lacking because students are only able to fulfill one or two of the 3 indicators of mathematical representation. Next. Yaudah slideshow aja weh hari. Relevant literature is Sulastri, Marwan, and Dasri 2017 was stated that students with low representational abilities only meet the indicators of symbolic representation using mathematical expression to solve problems and verbal representation using words in the steps of solving mathematical problems. Next. The aims of the research is describe students' mathematical representation abilities with high, medium, and low mathematical representation ability is the aim of this study. Next, second, literature review. Mathematical representation ability is an ability that is so important for students to have. Therefore, research will be conducted on the mathematical representation ability of class 11 students, especially linear programming material describing students' mathematical representation abilities with high, medium, and low mathematical representation ability is the aim of this study. The researcher hopes that from the result of this study, the teacher will further develop learning so that it can help students to improve their mathematical representation skills. Next. Third, research method. Research method is the method used in this study is qualitative descriptive method. Descriptive research is research that is used to describe or detail something, a situation or an event as it is Sukadinata 2017. In this descriptive research, the data collected is in the form word or pictures and not number. Malone 20 and 20 and 40. Next. Data collection. Data collection was done by distributing 3 questions about the mathematical representation ability test instrument in the form of a description with linear programming material. The data analysis technique used consisted of data reduction, data presentation, and drawing conclusion. The students' materials representation ability test score were categorized into high, medium, and low categorized of student mathematical representation ability are grouped according to criteria Arikunto 20 and 10. Next, data analysis is the research instrument used was a mathematical representation ability test instrument in the form of a description of three linear program question adaptive from Soleha Research 2017 and arranged according to two indicators of mathematical representation ability. Next. Respondent 22 students of class 11 as the subject of this study. The data source, the data analysis technique used consists of the reduction, data presentation, and drawing conclusion. 4. Result and discussion. Result. This study aims to describe mathematical representation ability of class 11 students in learning mathematics with linear programming material. As the first step of the research, data was collected using a mathematical representation ability test instrument. The data obtained are in the form of student mathematical representation ability test result. The results are presented in table 2 below. This is a table you can read by yourself. Next. Discussion. Student mathematical representation ability can be seen from the results of the analysis of each student's answer in the high, medium, and low categories. The mathematical representation ability consists of three questions on linear programming material in the form the description, each of which is arranged according to indicator of mathematical representation ability. In item number 1, the student mathematical representation ability test with visual representation indicator. For problem number 1, students are expected to be able to determine the area of the solution set from the given system of inequalities and to graph the system of inequalities. The question given regarding visual representation are to make a graph decide on the system of inequality for this number to show the set or solution area. Here are their answer for student. Next. This is first answer from student. Next. This is a second answer from student. Next. This is a third answer from student. Next. Until the answer to 11. Next. 5. Conclusion. Conclusion is based on the results and discussion of the research. It can be concluded that the mathematical representation ability of high school students in class 11 Science 2 in one of the high school in Jatisari district. Karawang Regency is the medium category for linear programming material, where students who have high mathematical representation ability have been able to solve symbolic representation indicator question very well. For visual representation indicator and verbal representation, students can complete, but there are few errors. Students with moderate category representation skill can solve visual representation indicator question, symbolic representation, and verbal representation, but there are some mistakes. Meanwhile, students in the low category could not solve the three mathematical representation problems properly. That's all from me. Thank you for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.